Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Very high temperatures are being experienced over much of South Africa at the moment, and these high temperatures could allow for a couple of thunder showers to develop in places, but they're going to be very patchy for the meantime. There is also a heat wave in effect for the northern parts, including Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Those conditions are set to stay at least until Thursday. On our satellite imagery, I've indicated the areas that have been very hot over the last few days, much of South Africa within that area. And within that, we also have a band of moisture that's moving down from further north, partly cloudy conditions in that region. And that's where we could also see some thunder showers later today. Cooler air is moving in along the west coast of South Africa, and that's going to keep temperatures lower over the next couple of days as well. Taking a look at our synoptic analysis for today, partly cloudy with isolated thunder showers through the central parts as well as in KZN, mainly clear either side of this. But by tonight, as a high-pressure system ridges in along the east coast, it's going to bring in cloudy skies for that area. Could also see some light rain developing. Heading into tomorrow, and we are expecting it to be a cloudy start to the day over that region, a bit of light rain continuing, but that's going to clear up by about midday. Partly cloudy with thunder showers through the central parts, a very similar area to today, once again, including most of the Free States, and somewhat cooler air is going to start moving in over the low felts, bringing in some relief from the high temperatures in that area. Taking a look at today's rainfall, and isolated thunder showers extend into the central parts, a somewhat better chance for the northern Free States, Velkom, Bethlehem and Harrismith included within that, similar into KwaZulu-Natal, and as I've mentioned, a bit of rain is likely to develop along the coastline of that province as well as into the wild coast of the Eastern Cape, mainly by tonight. And there is one alert for today. That's a warning for a high fire danger over the central parts of the country. A hot and dry day in that area, and along with that, gusty winds may result in runaway fires developing. Winds this afternoon will be moderate through that area, Bloemfontein at 30 kilometers per hour, while a fresh southwesterly wind is making its way up KZN's coastline. High temperatures today in the north of the country, above 30 degrees across the region, and mid-30s expected in Gauteng, and in particular for the Lowveld, where temperatures will be approaching 40 degrees for some places. Cooler in the Eastern Cape today, and temperatures remaining quite unchanged over the Western Cape, around 20 degrees for most areas. Tomorrow morning is going to be quite chilly over the southern high ground of the country, some places in the single digits, but it's going to remain warm overnight in the north of South Africa. 17 degrees expected as your overnight low in Johannesburg. A quick look at the heatwave conditions in Pretoria over the next few days. This is the 5-day forecast heading towards the end of this week, and as we can see, the average maximum at this time of the year is 27, and we're expecting temperatures to remain well above that over the next few days, although we could see a couple of isolated thunder showers on Wednesday and Thursday. Taking a look ahead to tomorrow afternoon for the rest of South Africa, dry for most areas, a few thunder showers through the central parts, Kimberley still hot at 34, and on Wednesday Johannesburg gets to 32 degrees Celsius with a couple of thunder showers possible. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.